Hey, buddy boy. I don't know if you can see him, but he's right there. He's a deer. Out detecting today. I'm talking to him, and he's just standing there looking at me. He knows I'm here. Hey, buddy boy. What are you doing? Come on. I'm not going to hurt you. I'm not going to hurt you. I'm moving a little bit. Come on. Come on. Come on. The young one. Come on, buddy. Not sure about me, though. Come on. Oh, here he comes. Look at that. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, bud. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Hi. Hi there. Hi there. What are you eating? What are you eating? You having breakfast? You having breakfast, bud? Hey. Hey, I can't see you. There you are. Hey. There you are, little buddy. There you are, little buddy. You want to come over? I ain't gonna bite you. I ain't gonna bite you. I love it out here. Hey, where'd you go? Where'd you go? Hey. Hey, you just gonna stand there? You're gonna come over and say hi? You gonna come over and say hi? Come on, little buddy. Where's your daddy and your mama? Huh? Where's your daddy and your mama? Can I walk over to you, or are you gonna run away? Can I walk over? Hi. We've been talking back and forth for a little while now. Slowly seeing. Not afraid of me. Hey. Hey. Do you want to come over and play? Come on, I'll pet you. Come on. Come on. He's actually gotten closer. Hey! Hey, bud. You playing peekaboo with me through the trees over there? Huh. Gotta love it. Can I come over and see you? Can I come over and see you? Hey! 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 There you are! There you are! There you are, buddy! Hi, bud! Hi, bud! It's okay! It's okay! No, you don't want to. Okay, okay. I'll see you later. I'll see you later. Okay, buddy. Huh. Hey, little buckaroo. Hey, little buckaroo. Hey, little buckaroo. All right, okay. I think that's probably close enough. Well, hope you guys enjoyed it. Wow. That's the first time that's ever happened to me. I'm literally 30 feet away. You taking off now? Wow, that's cool. All right, well, back to detecting. He's coming over to me. It's okay, buddy. It's okay, buddy. I can't believe this. He just won't go away. Are you lost, buddy? Where's Mommy? Where's your mommy? Where's your mommy? Can I come over and see you? I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm just curious like you. Oh, it's okay. Hey, where are you going? You're just being cautious. But you're not gonna go away because I've been metal detecting and you just keep coming around. Yeah, you just keep coming around. There must be some pretty good food here or you're lonely. You need a friend. Yeah, I think you're lonely. You need a friend. You want to come over and say hi? You're going to be on YouTube. You're going to be on YouTube. Yeah. And you're using up all my memory on my phone. But you're worth it. Okay, all right. I think that's enough. He's very curious, though. See, he won't go away. All right, okay. Well, say hi to all the people on YouTube. Okay, buddy. All right, I'm going to go about my business. He just keeps circling me. Huh. All right.